Tobin Tax, given by the Nobel Prize winner James Tobin. To understand the Tobin Tax, first of all, we need to understand the prevailing system before 1971. The system was known as Bretton Woods system that prevailed from 1944 to 1971. Under this system, a fixed exchange rate was decided where the US dollar was fixed with gold and other currencies were pegged to US dollars. But in 1971, USA decided to suspend the convertibility of dollars. Hence, it led to collapse of Bretton Woods system. So from 1971 onwards, world moved from fixed exchange rate system to flexible exchange rate. In the new system, the currency will be free floating based on the demand and supply. The exchange rate will be decided. But unfortunately, this led to speculative trading where the prices are dramatically rising and falling in quick succession. So that led to threatening of the stability of economies across the globe. Hence, to overcome the challenge under the new system, the economist James Tobin suggested that a small tax on all foreign exchange transactions should be implemented to discourage the speculative trading. But till today, no country has implemented such tax and it remained merely on the paper without any practical utility.